Evening traders, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, March 15th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read when you're done so. Let's move on. Here looking at tick US model, choppy day to down, finished below short-term moving average ribbon, which is still continuing lower, railroad tracks down. Let's see, longer term moving average ribbon uninverted continues to trend lower. Filtered tick, net selling on the day, and new lows outpacing new highs. Here looking at tick ARCX models, we have 0 long signals turned on right now. As we discussed with the US model, cumulative tick is trending lower. We finished today's low was less than yesterday's low, so not a very constructive sign. And again, this is longer term moving average is trending down. So something what we want to watch on the cumulative tick heading forward into the rest of the week is for the bulls. Can we overtake this high that was made today? Get a couple days trending higher in that direction. For the bears, obviously, we want to keep going what has been persisting last week. Moving over to the gamma chart from this morning, we're going to look at the full complex. The delta gamma level should be very obvious to the eye when looking at this. You have 380 is negative gex, 385 and 390, unable to overtake 390 today. This is kind of important level headed into tomorrow's session. If we can break above 390, see if we can get a move back towards transition. If we do fail below 390, then I'd be looking for moves back down to 385 and 380. One thing to note is that we have a lot of put dominance coming off the map today. This is this week's expiration as of this morning, so I want to check in with tomorrow's levels, see how those did update. Now moving back on to price interaction itself. Here we're looking at the SPY, SPX, QQQ with the 10 a.m. scripts from today. Really not a ton of action using the SPY and SPX. Pretty choppy action, however, using the Qs. There was great trading up to P-Trans level, and then again back from P-Trans. A couple interactions with 0 gex, moves back up to P-Trans. So you'll see that in Microsoft. Looks very similar, but a couple great ways to use the levels there today. Moving on to Amazon, just noting here the respective 0 gex trending moves higher that we did see today. And lastly, Microsoft, what I was just talking about, you had a consolidation right above 0 gex. A nice breakout to P-Trans, had double top at P-Trans, where we then traded back down to 0 gex. Again, then got a scalp move higher, back down, and again, great move to close off session was with 0 gex to P-Trans. Now going over tomorrow's price action. First starting off the daily chart, really just we're in the middle of the range between the local high, local low. Really no edge on this time frame. Like I said, we're in the middle of the range. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, you can see the trading range that we've developed over the last couple days. Really not interested in trading between this zone here. I want to see kind of a break and retest above or break and retest below. Now getting in, this is our 5 p.m. run with our 5 p.m. run of our gamma script with we have SPX, SPY, and QQQs again. SPY really in between 0 gex and the negative trans. Again, 390 level, major level. See if we kind of broke it today. See if we get a retest, move higher tomorrow. SPX right at 0 gex level, and QQQs. Again, this one looks most interesting to me just because we're between 0 gex and P-Trans. I love trading those levels, so I will be definitely tuned into QQQs tomorrow. Now going through our liquidity stocks, we have Apple here in between COTMP 0 gex. We have Tesla, COTMP, P-Trans. We have Microsoft again right above P-Trans. I'm going to be interested in looking at this again tomorrow. NVIDIA right above COTMP. So again, the recurring theme here is stocks are close to COTMP levels. Again, now looking at Google. We have Google, we have Meta, we have Amazon, and we have AMD. Again, recurring theme here, we are close to COTMP levels. So like we talked about yesterday, let's see, tick, is chopping around towards the bottom end of the range. Liquidity stocks are close to COTMP levels, and we are still a little bit stretched from transition levels on the SPY, SPX gamma charts with a good bit of the put gamma coming off this week. So maybe that is fuel for some kind of short-term bear market bounce rally in the context of long-term downtrend. That is kind of what I'm hoping, because that's going to be the best risk to reward trade. However, as you saw today in the room, I was trading both long and short side, so try to not let my bias get the best of me. Just want to trade the setups that are presented, and we will go from there. So with that, have a great rest of your night tonight. Open mic tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Hope to see you all there. But if not, I will see you in the room tomorrow morning. Bye.